Ano babo kabalen? Kumusta kayo po? My name is Louie.
My name is Mark Conanan of We're in Pampanga, where we discover great places for you to check out.
Yup. As well as helping businesses promote their products to our We're in Pampanga community. For today's vlog, Mark, I'm so excited. Nandito tayo ngayon sa Porac, Pampanga. Very rare that we will be invited dito. So, I'm really excited to check out the place. Nandito po tayo ngayon sa
Mami-Hon.
Mami-Hon.
So, Filipino and Japanese restaurant.
Yeah. So, from the native food up to the Japanese cuisine. If you're interested to know more about this, samahan niyo po kami.
So tara, let's go!
Ako nga pala si Rick Ramirez, may-ari ng Mami-Hon dito sa Porac, Pampanga. So, nag-start ang Mami-Hon. Nagtinda ako ng Mami-Hon sa Tokwing. Maliit lang pwesto lang yun sa harapan ng bahay ng biyenan ko. Ang biyenan ko, siya yung nag-prepare ng mami pati yung bayaw ko. So tinutulungan nila ako habang nasa opisina ako, siya yung nag-prepare ng sa mami. Last 2 years ago, naitayo ko itong Mami-Hon na to sa Porac. So una, maliit lang, dapat ang patayo itong Mami-Hon lang talaga. Mami, lugaw lang. Kaso nakita ko nung nagawa na siya, parang maliit lang siya. So sabi ko mga 5 katao lang ata yung pwede nito kako. So mas maganda siguro dagdagan na natin mga iluluto natin pagkain. So yun, nilagyan na namin mga kare-kare, mga sisi, nilagyan namin Japanese food. So nandito na rin naman ako. Sabi ko, okay, damihan na natin luto para at least marami mga pwedeng kumain, hindi lang lugaw, hindi lang mami. Yung sa pinaka main branch ko, sa may Cangatba, Porac, Pampanga, alas 5 lang ng pure gold. Nagbubukas ang Mami-Hon alas 7 ng umaga hanggang alas 12 ng hating gabi.
So once again guys, thank you so much for being with us in this video.
Yes.
Grabe Mark,
So,
napaka-interesting at saka exciting, no?
Something new dito sa Porac and something na hindi mo expected.
Well, actually this has been 2 years here, so I'm sure yung mga local dito has been enjoying this. Pero tayo na taga San Fernando or even Angeles, no? Something that you can look forward, lalong-lalo na ngayon, di ba, uso yung like for example local road trip or even yung biking. So dito sa Mami-Hon, this is actually available. And if you notice on our table guys, meron tayong mga
Local food, at the same time, meron din tayo sa kabila na Japanese food.
Japanese foods. Let's introduce the food. Sa mga Japanese section natin, of course, meron tayong tempura, meron tayong sashimi. These are crispy tofu, as well as some rice rolls at saka maki, no? And of course, hindi mawawala sa Japanese resto or Japanese places yung gyoza.
Yes. So on my side naman, syempre ito yung mga local foods. So meron tayo ditong crispy kare-kare. Ayan. Meron tayong palabok. Meron tayong crispy pata. So meron din tayo ditong sinigang na salmon.
Yes.
At syempre kung saan sila sumikat, meron din tayong mga lugaw and yung mami nila.
These are really great for all-day meals.
Yes.
From the morning, like breakfast, magpapainit tayo ng tiyan. So meron tayong lugaw and lomi. And then up until dun sa mga
Dinner time.
No? Mark, I'm gonna go first with their Japanese food.
So, syempre ako naman,
side ko.
pinakahintay ko yung kanilang crispy pata.
Crispy pata, guys. Grabe, this is so huge. And again, we would like to thank Mami-Hon for inviting us.
At least meron na kayong mapupuntahan dito sa Porac.
Oh, wow! Very, very fresh. Okay, so before I go to their local food, one more with the tofu naman nila. So I actually saw this when they were preparing it, no? Super fresh. This is what they call tofu purai. So
This is a simple restaurant na you can imagine na nagsaserve pala sila ng ganito.
he started from ground, really, no? Hindi niya ikinahiya kung ano yung business niya, mga tinitinda niya, until like 2 years ago, yeah, this was birth, yeah. And then meron na siyang second branch.
Yes.
Yeah.
In fairness ang sasarap ng mga Japanese dishes nila.
Okay.
Something to look forward So this is their special maki.
Salmon flavor siya actually.
Actually, nung unang tikim ko, ang lasa niya.
Oh, wow. Wow. Before I proceed with the Japanese food, siguro tigisa tayo dun sa mga ano nila. Specialty. This is where it all began. These are roadside food, street food, very simple. But of course, I saw how, you know, they put their hearts into it. Napakamasayahin. So, doon sa pinaka-bottom ng ano natin, ng bowl natin, so meron tuwalya. It's actually beef innards.
Speaking of mami nila, so hindi ko pa tinitimplahan. Malasa na.
Actually, pati ito. And to top it all, guys, let me inform you that yung mga lugaw at saka lomi nila are unlimited for only 55 pesos. So no doubt, ito yung puntahan ng mga bikers na pumupunta dito sa side ng Porac.
Kumbaga yung 55 pesos mo, sulit na dito.
So savory, so tasty. So many dishes to taste, guys. I wanna move on. So more maki. So this is their mixed Miguel maki. So I guess they name it after the person, no?
Yes. So syempre ako naman, dahil naglagay na ako ng rice, titingnan ko naman yung kanilang crispy kare-kare. Check this out. So yung crispy kare-kare natin, meron siyang gulay. At the same time, yung pinaka-pork niya is fried.
Another Japanese finger food.
Yes.
So another I admire sa in this place actually.
Yes.
The people inside their kitchen. So napaka-humble, very jolly, masayahin. And I really saw how they, you know, put their hearts and dedication in preparing this. Yeah.
Siyempre, the more na masaya yung mga tao sa kusina, the more na mas masarap yung pagkain.
Actually. Guys, yung pancit canton nila, sobrang overload. Super, guys. Next to taste, gyoza. As I told you earlier, guys, what is a Japanese food place without the gyoza? Ooh, wow. Very surprising. This side of Porac, Pampanga, they are serving these kinds of food.
Iniimbitahan po kayo, mga kabalen, kaporak, sa ibang bayan man, na pumunta kayo dito sa may Mami-Hon. Masarap ang mga pagkain. Mag-enjoy kayo dito. Masarap ang pagkain. Sulit ang pagpunta nyo dito.
Alright guys, thank you so much for being with us. Thank you so much for watching our video. We won't bore you long, but again, I think we were able to introduce naman yung pagkain dito. No? So again, thank you so much for inviting us, Mami-Hon. We're gonna enjoy this more off the camera. So if you like this video, please
Give it a thumbs
give it
up.
a thumbs up.
Share it with your friends. And syempre, you must try Mami-Hon pag dumaan kayo ng Porac.
There you go. So thank you so much for watching. We're in Pampanga. Until our next discovery.
Peace out.
Thanks so much for watching, guys. Cheers.